Okay, we have a review. This is supposed to do this review a week ago, maybe a couple of weeks ago. I was going to do it, just forgot to do it, and it's the hand warmer. So let's get into this. First, well, there's a hand warmer right there. I'll show you what else you get in the box. I've done an unboxing, but hey, some people might have not seen it. So you get your little jug. So you've got on here. Wait a minute, let's see, what's that? You've got half, and you've got one. Easy enough. I should really get my if it is, it doesn't matter. What else have we got in here? Right. The only other thing, we've got the instructions that's absolutely huge. You've got fill instructions right here. So you just take the burner off, put some fuel in the canister, you put it in the hand warmer, light it, and put it in the thing. Simple. So let's get rid of this. And the hand warmer. Right, so first of all you get this, what is it, velvet or something like that? Velvet case with a little lanyard. You can make that shorter with a little bead. It's a little pull plastic thing here, and then you've got the hand warmer itself. And you can see right there, it's covered in fingerprints. That's the bad thing about it. You get covered in fingerprints. Okay, let's see. Put this to the side. Your burner, right? This is your burner right here. Okay, and that is, what's that called again? It's almost like is it catalytic converter or something like that? Oh, that's in the car actually. No, it's something like that. It's a name. But anyway, you can see the only problem I've had with this is this copper thing came out a couple of times and I kind of given it back. And I don't think it's burning right. And also, don't use a jet lighter to light it. Bad idea completely. Let me get my, if I can find my, oh there it's there, my jeweler's loop. Let me get that real quick. This will be another long video guys, so, well hopefully, maybe, I don't know, we'll wait and see. But anyway, you can see right there how it went in. Well, I used the jet lighter just slightly to get it burning, and it burnt away the middle bit of that bit. So there's a little bit of fail when I tried it. I was like the second time I tried it because it just took ages and ages. But anyway, you can see there's a Zippo logo right there. And Zippo logo right there, and yeah, I'll get black. I mean, I think these last like 80 tries or something like that, so I'm not entirely sure. But like Zippo's saying that you put it on and then like I think it's like 5 seconds lighting it. That's not true. I tried it with Zippo and butane lighters, jet lighters. I failed. Don't try that. But I mean, it takes about maybe a minute just to get it going. I do 30 seconds on the back and then both sides to get it going. It starts going red hot. You've got your lid here. With this, I mean, the only problem I've had with this, you fill it up right, and then you put it in here. If you don't push it down all the way, like if you don't push it in a little, if you bring it up here, it'll just overfill. Well, not overfill, it'll just start rising up with the lighter fluid and that. So, but when I've done it completely dry, this hand warmer, and used a full one, I've noticed if you do that, fill it up fine. I can fill it up fine with no spillage. And then if I go to light it, and like it's all soaked in good, but if it'll come out here, starts coming out here, and then the whole hand warmer goes up, and your hands are on fire and stuff like that. That's happened. But you just put the lid over to extinguish it, and it goes out. But that's the only problem I've had with it really, is the burner. So I don't know if mine was kind of faulty how I got it, because sometimes it doesn't light right, sometimes it only right in the two each side. So I think I'm going to go buy a new one. They're like £5 each, and you can get them off Amazon and stuff like that. Just need to shop around a bit for it. But yeah, that's the burner, and there you see you've got your cotton. This doesn't come apart, so you can't put new cotton in it like a Zippo or anything like that. What else? It's good quality. You can see there are tons and tons of fingerprints all over it. You can see in here, you can see it's a little bit black in the corners where it's been put on and it's been lit. That's happened a couple of times. But I mean, I've tried Swan Fuel, and I think it was like cheap lighter fluid out the pawn shop I tried, and they're both I mean, it's burned the same as that Zippo stuff I've got. And I've seen another Zippo kind of fuel. It's like classic stuff, so I'm going to get that too to try it out. And we'll see how all them, I'll try some Ronson fuel too. I need to get that. But I mean, it's worked. I know I've seen on forums people saying that the hand warmer like only burns with a certain fuel, like Zippo fuel. That's not entirely true. I mean, I've got it as hot as exactly the same as the Zippo stuff and the Swan stuff, and it's burned the same. Even smells the same. Well, there's not even a smell off it apart from maybe a bit of a fuel smell. You don't get a smell like a Zippo. It's just I mean, you don't get any smell. I haven't smelled it. But anyway. Okay, so the cons are the burner. Well, no, wait a minute. Filling it up is a little bit on that. Well, a fault kind of thing. But also the other problem is if you put this over. And you clip it down, if you even drop it a little tiny bit, I've dropped it on my desk about that height and the burner fell out, and then it almost extinguishes straight away and then you have to go light it again. I've dropped it outside too, and I mean it doesn't dent it. I put it in a little carry case, it doesn't dent. You can see in the bottom there it's nice and clean, no scratches, just tons of finger marks. But I mean, I don't know if it's cause the burner I got with mine is it's really loose. I mean, I've seen other people like they have to get like I can get like when it's on, I can get it up with my fingers, like just really quickly and put it down so I don't get burnt. But I mean, I've seen some people try to get them off and they're using like scissors and everything, like just try to pull it off and it comes off quite hard. And mine just, I mean, you can see right there. I mean, I'm hardly. See, that's it just falling off with just one finger. So I don't know if it's just because of mine. I've tried bending it in to hold it in, but I mean it's quite hard. It's quite strong metal. So yeah, I'm getting framed there. Oops. But yeah, it's a really good hand warmer. Only a couple of faults with it, but I will buy a new burner when I get round to it. I mean, it's starting to get warmer now, and well, not warmer, milder. Not as I was like. At least it's about 11 degrees right now. I've got a lot of thermometer next to my bed for outside my window. But I haven't used it much. I've used it a couple of times outside when I'm in the garage, mucking around, building stuff. And it's been quite good. It keeps the heat for, well, the longest I've had it going for was it 30 hours? I think it was 30 hours. I left it all on, all night, all morning. And it finally started cooling down at like tea time 5ish or something like that. But anyway, it's very fuel efficient. I mean, where's oh fuck, where's the alright, it's right there. If you fill it up to halfway, you get. I think I got halfway. I got about. What did I get out of it? Maybe about 11 hours out of it, even though it says like 6, I got ages out of it actually. And then I got almost 30 hours out of the top. But it does overfill really easily, even though if you fill this right up to the brim where you get told to, it does overfill, and it's a little bit annoying because you have to clean it off and you put it in a little bag and stuff like that. So yeah, I mean, it's a really good hand warmer. There's a couple of faults with it. But I'll be getting a new burner, like I've just said it over and over and over again. And you've got your little bag here. That is quite nice. But I do recommend buying this. Buy any fuel you want, it doesn't matter. It works absolutely fine with all the fuels. Even though people are saying, oh, it can only work with Zippo fuel, and I've only got it to heat up with Zippo fuel. All the fuels smell the same, look the same, and burn the same. People saying, I don't think, I mean, the one I like better is Swan fuel. I feel like that, I mean, you don't get much of a smell of it. You get less of a smell of the Swan fuel than Zippo fuel, but everyone goes for the Zippo fuel. That's just what do you call it now? Just my thoughts, or the fuel I like the best, but Zippo fuel, I'll give it every so often. I get coming up to 10 marks here. But anyway, this is the hand warmer. I do recommend go buying it out. I paid, how much did I pay? £10 or, oh, £13? £12? I don't know. I paid something like in the teens maybe. Not in the teens, not like £15 or a couple of pounds. But it's really good. Keeps the heat. Lasts for ages. The only problem is if you drop it, the burner does fall out. Or that's my only problem. I've had really weight in the burner. So I'll buy a new one. Probably do a video if we get a new one soon. And we'll see how it goes. I mean, you can hear it's already rattling around. It comes out like just a little bit. But I've dropped it just a little bit and it just pops out. I don't know if it... I think it could be because like when you heat it up, when it heats up the burner, it expands. Maybe that's the problem with it. I'm not entirely sure. But anyway, I do recommend going buying this. Go buy it off Amazon. You can get it off eBay, other websites, Zippo website, but I wouldn't even buy off that because, I mean, you get ripped off quite easily. Yeah, go buy the Zippo hand warmer. You get instructions, a little fill-up thing, your box, your velvet case, and your Zippo hand warmer. That's all. Zippo hand review, very good. Go recommend buying it. Comment, rate, and subscribe. Also, thumbs up. Get some thumbs up. I've never said that before, but let's get some thumbs up on this video too. So yeah, recommend buying it. I might actually even make a video of different kinds of fuels. Zippo fuels, no Zippo fuels. Different kinds of lighter fluid, not gas, not butane, lighter fluid. So we need to get a lot of that different kinds of fuel in. So yeah, comment, rate, and subscribe. Thumbs up the video, and that's me. See ya.